Grandma Fraser's cornbread. This isn't just any cornbread, it's a family treasure that we've enjoyed around our holiday tables for generations. Today, Mama Joyce is back to show you how to make this true Southern classic. There's nothing more to say. Mom?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Well, let's go.
Yes.
To start, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven heats, grab a large mixing bowl for your dry ingredients. Add 1/2 cup of flour, 1/2 cup of yellow cornmeal, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, now stir it all together until everything is well mixed. Using yellow cornmeal gives the cornbread that golden color and traditional flavor. Next, we'll prepare the wet ingredients. Mix equal parts melted butter and vegetable oil. Then in a separate bowl from the dry mixture, whisk together the eggs, milk, and the butter oil mixture until smooth and combined. Just so you know, the blend of butter and oil keeps the cornbread moist while giving it a rich, buttery flavor. This mix really makes a difference. Using all butter can make the cornbread dry, and using just oil misses that homemade buttery taste. Watch out now, because this is going to be fire. Now, let's combine the wet and dry ingredients. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until everything is well combined. But don't overmix. Too much stirring can make the cornbread dense rather than light and fluffy. A few lumps are just fine. Once everything is mixed, prepare a 9-inch pie pan by greasing it with a bit of oil or cooking spray. If you want to go old school, put a little butter in the pie pan and set it in the oven while it's preheating until the butter melts. Then tilt the pan to coat it evenly. Now, pour the batter into the pan and give it a gentle shake to even out the top. This helps it bake evenly without needing to smooth it out by hand. Place the pan in your preheated oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the top is golden brown and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out nice and clean. The exact time might vary depending on your oven, so keep an eye on it around the 25-minute mark. When done, let the cornbread cool for a few minutes. This helps it set before you cut into it, making for cleaner slices. Watch out now, because this is going to be fire.
This is not cornbread out of a box.
No.
So how did you learn to make this cornbread?
Well, actually, when I was younger, when I was younger.
Because you're still small.
Yes, thank you. When I was younger, I would watch my mother cook, and she would have me stir up everything, but she never gave me a recipe. But then I wanted to make it myself. So finally, I asked her, I said, Mom, what is the recipe? You can figure it out. Mom, can you please write down the recipe so I can have it? So she did write it down on a piece of paper. I said, Mom, seems like something's missing. Oh, you'll figure it out. But anyway, after years, and I actually figured it out, now I have the recipe for her cornbread.
And there you have it, folks. That's Grandma Fraser's Southern cornbread. This recipe is a family favorite, and we are so grateful to have found it in Grandma's own handwritten notes, preserving her home-style flavors for generations to come. It pairs perfectly with Mama Joyce's famous mustard greens, which you can find in one of our other videos, so please check it out. And it's also the main ingredient in the best cornbread dressing you'll ever have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. All right, so this is the ending